How to turn on or turn off Game Center nearby players for multiplayer game on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on Game Center. Next, we scroll down and tap on Nearby Players. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now here it says when you turn on, you allow nearby Game Center players in the same game to invite you to a multiplayer game over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. And that's it. So you can turn it on or you can switch it off so that other people can't invite you. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.